Hey guys, Eddie here with Off Leash K9 Training Cincinnati. Joining us for our 1-week freedom board and train is Coco. Coco is a 3-year-old mini Goldendoodle. He comes to us with some barking issues and some counter surfing issues. The owners are looking to get him solid on his recall and place command and also holding those commands. He could be stubborn at times listening to his commands, so we're going to get him really solid here in the next week. In the meantime, let's go ahead and see what Coco knows. Coco, come.
Good boy. Sit. Good. Sit. Good boy.
You place. Coco, place. Place. Coco, can you place? Place. All right, so it looks like you have some things to work on this week, and stay tuned for video updates. Here. Coco, sit. Boy, who is that? He's here. Come on in. Boy. Break. You place. Coco, place. Place. Coco, can you place? Place. Coco. Coco, place. Good boy, sit. Good place, good boy. Sit. Good boy, good sit. Break.
Coco, sit. Good sit, good boy. Good sit.
Coco, come. Good boy.
Good boy. Sit. Break. Good sit. Good boy.
Break. Coco, place. Coco, place. Coco, place. Good job.
Coco, place. Coco, place. Break. Break.
Hi, I'm Tina, and this is Coco and Olivia and Mia, and we brought Coco to Off Leash because his name previously was Coco Loco. He was rather rambunctious, and we knew that he was smart. We just needed some expertise to get him there, and we were blown away. Andy has been amazing throughout the entire week. We received videos and pictures and updates on how he was doing, and we could not be any more happy with what we've seen, and we're excited for us to get home and practice this at home, and we can't wait to see what he is capable of, because we think that he's got a pretty bright future of being a good doggy at home. And yeah, we highly recommend Off Leash, and he's been amazing.